the blue verification badge. We trusted it because it looks real. We even talked to someone through Messenger. They sent us confirmation receipts and room photos. How can this happen?
Good morning, ma'am. I'm Julia Alicum, Assistant Manager of Isla Jardín Del Mar Resort. Sadly, our resort became the victim of a coordinated cybercrime. Scammers copied our base and full videos, created a fake Facebook page, and purchased a Meta-verified badge to appear legitimate. They then mass-reported our authentic page until Meta mistakenly removed it. We did not send money to Isla Jardín Del Mar Resort. The payments were sent to an organized cybercrime syndicate.
Thank you for responding quickly, Major Villanueva. Since late 2025, we have recorded several resorts and land targeted by the same scheme. Tourists are losing money because of the scammers' misuse meta verification to look trustworthy.
This operation is a highly organized disperse. Our cybercrime investigators traced the IP addresses and e-wallet transfers and digital footprints connected to the system. The RACU12 is currently preparing evidence for violations under the Cybercrime Prevention Act of 2012.
The court is now in session for criminal case number 2026, Civil Code 4412, the people of the Philippines versus Matt Aldrich Agsaway.
Your Honor, the accused used fake social media pages and meta verification to deceive tourists and steal money from victims. We call Julia Alicum to stand. The fake page copied our resort content and damaged our business reputation. Guests blame us after being scammed.
And the prosecution directly proved that my client controlled the fake accounts.
Yes, Your Honor. RACU 12 traced the accounts and e-wallet transactions to the accused. We call Ashley Clarinan.
We trusted the verified badge. Our family lost 40,000 pesos. That was our savings for a Holy Week.
Defendant, Matt Aldrich Agsaway, stand up.
Your Honor, I admit I create a fake page. At first, I thought it was just easy money. We copied the short videos and used fake account to report the real page. I know now that many families and businesses suffer because of what we did.
You ruined our vacation and wasted our savings.
Order in the court. The evidence clearly proves that the accused committed organized cyber fraud and identity theft. This court finds Matt Aldrich Agsaway guilty beyond reasonable doubt of computer-related identity theft and syndicated cyber estafa. You are sentenced to life imprisonment, ordered to pay 1.2 million pesos. This court is adjourned.